Back in the garage again, another garage waffle, different camera position this time. How's this working out for you? A bit higher up, so maybe when I'm a bit closer you're not chopping the top of my head off and stuff. So this week, one, new jacket, so I don't have to keep putting overalls and stuff on. I've got work trousers, but jacket, welding, grease, whatever, just keep the clothes clean underneath. And like I said, I'm not struggling in and out of overalls all the time. Also this week, bit of mud, this week, I've got to get basically a valeting bucket together with all my cleaning things. New car at work, so going to get that all cleaned up with the students. Also, it needs a new, what we call drumstick for the steering rack, snapped. So you turn the steering wheel, one wheel turns, the other does not. So that made it exciting, driving in, nice and slow. And co-worker just kept kicking the wheel where I wanted it, and we got it in. We got it saved trying to push it or whatever. So video on that at some point. But at the moment, we're sort of keeping it under wraps. We want to get it clean, get it on the road, maybe take it to a show or two. We'll see. And yeah, so that's coming soon. That's new exciting stuff at work. There's a lot of stuff. I might have to wash these and then see how they are afterwards. Rather than, we'll see. See how we go. So how have we been anyway? Got through January okay. We all made it. Notoriously the longest month of the year. It's like the Monday morning of the year, isn't it? But we're here now. We're February 1st, when I recorded this bit. I don't know when this will go out. Might be today, tomorrow, might be 2 weeks. I don't know. But we'll see. Been out with the boy and his RC car and mine. Which is over, that reminds me, I've got to get the battery. I'm going to do that while I think of it. Get that on charge in my trusty tin there. Lipos, so you can't mess about with them. It's good. Do a bit of waffle and then remember what job you need to do. But yeah, we've been out and about. He wants to go this afternoon, so we'll probably do a little bit of recording with him this afternoon with his. He's got a new little Formula 1 styly one, Red Bull type one as well. Only a toy grade, not hobby grade, but he loves it, so it's good. It keeps him occupied, it keeps him happy. Right, and that's good, isn't it? It's what it's about, keeping your kids happy. Encourage their interests and their hobbies. As adults, it's so easy to get wrapped up in what we need to do, what we want. The kids sort of just get dragged along. So we do have to take time and there we go, encourage their hobbies and interests and do what they want to do. So, having said, we've got the girls got football tomorrow down in, I think we're in Chelmsford tomorrow, or away at Chelmsford. They've won their last couple of games, which is good. They're all the girls are really bonding really well and enjoying themselves. And again, that's what it's about. Under 9s team. I can go over there. That's safe. 2S lipo. I would, the caution with these, have a Google or YouTube of what happens when you put a screwdriver in one of these or pop them, or incorrect charging, or you have to, they go with a pop and they burn. So always safety when it comes to these batteries and stuff. If you're ever unsure, dispose of it safely. That being said, I always keep mine in a metal tin, you see that? That being said, I would have to look to be where you would dispose of a lipo. Can you put that in your normal battery recycling? Let me know, I don't know. Or would that be a specialist? It says recycle. I would probably look on the council website for your local area where you have to do with those. You certainly can't just chuck them in the bin. Anyway, that will cause all sorts of fires. Like glass cleaner, I've got some of that. I've got a lot of Power Maxed cleaning products at work. The wheel. In fact, the wheel cleaner I have at work Power Maxed wheel cleaner. I've got to say, it's awesome. Yeah, he said, well, I don't have one here. I thought I had some. I thought I had some here. Yeah, the Power Maxed wheel clean, alloy wheel cleaner is absolutely awesome. Hydrophobe detail, I don't need that. Tyre gel. Yeah, we'll take some of that in. Hybrid glaze. Gives a protective deep shine. What's that for? Is that external or internal? All paint, so that's an external. I'm looking for shampoo. Dash cleaner, natural dressing. Gives a natural, here we are. Natural dressing is scented, non-greasy interior dressing. That's what I want. I'm going to use that. And the tyre. And then, oh, we've got, ooh, blimey. All that dust. Snowing, look. That's all right. What I'll do, I'll give that a whoosh out with that. And there we go. That's got a lot of the dust out. On there. Do I need to take the bucket? I've got a bucket at work. I might. Do you know what? I might just find a bag or a little tub and use that. Like this one down here. Let's have a look. What's in here? It's always fun. So we've got some duct tape. Some Allen keys. I don't know what they're from. Allen keys. We've got a pen. I'm guessing that was a receipt. That can go in the bin. A charging cable, which has never been unwrapped. That's good, isn't it? I wonder what that one was for. Mini USB connector. Not many things use that now. Cable ties. They're always handy. Right, there we go. So, what did I say? I said the tyre gel and the interior. What I might do, thinking about that, so I've got external. What else have I got? Window I've got. Don't have, without giving too much away, convertible hood cleaner. No. So that's, I'm sure work will have some. I'll speak to the valet team. And see what they've got. I'm sure they won't mind donating a little. Wheel brush, I got lots of those at work. So actually I didn't really need all of that up in the end, but it's clean now. I'm going to take that. These bits I'm just going to, got some, dropped it. Bin these broken bits, which I think if you watched the last video, that they hadn't moved. All they need to go in the bin. It's only here. But yeah, never got around to it. There we go. Again, isn't it great? I can just now. Can you hear that a bit louder? I don't know. Right, good progress. Now looking at that's maintenance. Right, wire brush. I'm still about. I need to go. I want a wire brush. I've got a wire brush at work. What am I going to do? Yes, I need to look at getting some like Lano Guard or under sealer. That's good. Get some of that. But yeah, we're going. Excellent. Good stuff. Just sorted out my welding helmet. I'm sure I used that not that long ago, but the batteries were flat. So luckily I had some spare batteries. One of the cars at work, it's a little Yaris, needs, weirdly, just one little bit of welding in the wheel arch. So started doing that. At work with the welding helmet at work. Oh, it was horrible. Couldn't get to grips with that. The settings I couldn't quite get how I wanted. So then I tried the shield, but that was awkward because I was also trying to weld and different welder. Couldn't get to grips with the welder as well. It was just horrible. It's using the tiny little bottles of gas. So you've got nothing, loads of gas. There's minimal control. So let's reduce one annoyance, which was the helmet, take my own in, and then I can focus solely on the welder. So that's that sorted. But I'm sure I used that recently, but the batteries were flat. So those will go in a specialist battery disposal or just on the shelf for now until I can take them to battery disposal. You don't chuck batteries in the bin. So that's one little job done there. Luckily I clocked the helmet and went, yes, I need that. So I can get that done this week, which will be cool. Then what we're looking for that car is some coilovers. We'll get those on. We'll sort out the underglow on that. Gotta find the seatbelt. Oh, that's awkward. The driver's seatbelt has gone missing. Other options, we'll put some harness in, because we are thinking long term, go roll cage in it. So maybe I'll just get a harness for the driver for now. I really don't know where that seatbelt went. And we'll just rock around with that little Yaris. It's a, now let's get this right, is it a 1.2 or a 1.3? I cannot remember. It's not a GR. It's what you call a little granny mobile, but so we've got some big alloys on it. We're going to coilovers. It's lowered at the moment, but we want coilovers better. We've got a splitter and an air dam. We've got some bonnet vents, vinyl wrapped the bonnet. We've got to vinyl wrap the roof, carbon fibre, very cool. It's got a spoiler on it. We're going to tint the windows. What else we got? We've got a motorcycle rear exhaust can for a tailpipe, which is very cool. We've removed the rear silencer, so that needs welding together as well, hence that. So yeah, very cool little car. Students really enjoy working on it, so that's good. But all progress, all progress. Anyway, what else have we got going on? I'm not going to sneak what this other car is yet. I want to keep that under wraps for now. It will be revealed at some point. Well, it'll either be revealed or something else will be revealed. As it stands, undecided whether to go like OEM plus with this car. So upgraded but nice parts, you know, not boy racer, or we go boy racer, get it wrapped, spoiler, etc., or get it fully on the road. It's got MOT till August, minimal advisories, but sort them, move it on and use the profit for another project that's potentially coming in. So the route with that is undecided yet. It's a very cool car, it's very desirable, but where we go with it is undecided. We got it cheap. Since we received it in the workshop, we have discovered a few faults which weren't listed before, but you buy blind and cheap, that's what happens. But it's all good. We'll see where we go with that. Yes. Well, I think that pretty much wraps it up this week. Not got lots to waffle on about. Saying that, this video is probably, 15 minutes long at most, I'd say. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.